What if I told you there are powerful AI tools you can use for free that can replace expensive software costing hundreds of dollars? Today, I'll show you 5 free AI tools that save you time, money, and effort. Let's get started. First is ChatGPT. It helps you write content, generate ideas, answer questions, and even plan projects. From emails to scripts, study help to business ideas, it does the work in seconds. And yes, the free version is more than enough for most people. Next is Canva AI. This tool can replace expensive design software. You can create thumbnails, social media posts, presentations, and even videos without design skills. Just type what you want and Canva does the rest. Third is CapCut AI. It's a free video editor with powerful AI features. Auto captions, background removal, smooth animations, all in one place. Perfect for faceless YouTube videos and short-form content. Fourth is ElevenLabs. This AI can generate realistic human-like voices. It's perfect if you don't want to record your own voice. Many creators use it for faceless videos, audiobooks, and reels. And finally, Remove.bg. It removes image backgrounds instantly using AI. No Photoshop needed. Just upload your image and it's done in seconds. These free AI tools can easily replace expensive software. If you want to work smarter, not harder, start using AI today. Subscribe to CN TechFlow for more tech, AI tools, and smart tips. See you in the next video.